Like I said, I think the third or fourth unit that ever landed in the States we bought. So I've known you guys a long time. It's been a happy marriage. So we started crushing back in about 2012. We had bought a 4825 originally, and it was back when YouTube was kind of the only outlet to look at stuff, and we found out about the machine. There was a facility a little further away that we went and bought the machine, got accustomed to using it, and then ever since then haven't been able to really function without it. We loved it. It was rugged, robust, and did everything we needed to do. So what we normally do, being that we're masons by trade, it's staircases, walkways, and patios, driveways, and asphalt and stuff like that. So it's basically that ABC, that asphalt, brick, and concrete material that we process, and just through resources like Jimmy and other guys, I've learned how to process it because it's very different product to product. Well, for good reasons, obviously. As production on the company side went up, we began requiring more ability to crush. And since that, a dream of mine was always to kind of take in some material as well. And the 503, being that it was a great machine for us personally, wasn't enough to do production. The 704 definitely fit the bill for what we were doing. A lot more of the production side of things, where we could take in materials and actually create enough product that we could resell, not just use in-house. So it's been a complete game changer. It's not twice the size, it's like 5 times the size, it feels like. It's helped us grow everything exponentially. So obviously, as Bonanno Construction, who was the original company, which is us, we've been able to now kind of open this little subsidiary, which is DL, in our little disposal side of things, because we can do the production of the ABC materials, and now slowly getting into more of some of the organics as well. But it's been a game changer for us. Honestly, just the machine is great and it's robust, but I'll be honest with you, the backing behind it. Just from your dealers down to like Victor, like every time we call, you get someone to talk to. There's no hold, there's no patterns, there's nobody else around. You're talking to a guy. Touch that machine, so we can. I feel very comfortable with the whole process of the support end of it, just as much as the machine itself. I can't say enough. I just, obviously these aren't guys that are selling, something they just decided to start. Like, they love their product. Selfishly, I wouldn't want to recommend it to anyone around here. So they're my competition. That would be foolish. But overall, like, it's the product itself, and then the ability to have, again, again, I knew Komplet before I knew Rock and Recycling, and even then, the service side of it was great. Even when we still had to physically call over to Italy and get parts. Now we get them obviously through you guys. So I would recommend it because of accessibility to products, to repairs, because everything breaks. Every machine breaks. So the fact that somebody is there behind you to fix it or help you fix it. Their service guys that came out were like, their hands are made of gold. Literally, they come out in just 2 seconds, everything's done and off and running again. So downtime in any machine is awesome. For all the machine's awesome, and the service side of it is wonderful. Like I said, selfishly, I wouldn't want to recommend it to anyone in my little service area, but other than that, yeah, I appreciate that. Absolutely, Honestly, if you're going to buy a machine, and it's not a starter machine, it's not entry-level machine, if you're going to buy a machine that's specific to what you're looking to do, where it be, obviously there's If you want a fast car, you buy a fast car. You're right. You don't want to buy a sedan that's going to be a fast. You want a purpose-built machine, and a purpose-built machine for a smaller contractor doing in-house in some production size. It is on point. It does everything it needs to do, and again, with the serviceability side of it, it's aces. It doesn't make sense even to look anyplace else, to be honest with you. We're located in Woburn, Mass. We're at 239 Salem Street in Woburn, Mass. I promise the dog will be friendly next time. But yeah, I mean, anytime anyone wants to come take a look at it or give us a call or whatever they want. Like I said, I think the third or fourth unit that ever landed in the States we bought. So I've known you guys a long time. It's been a happy marriage.